Fired up.
Fired.
All right, hello gardening class. Going to show you about chitted potatoes. Remember, be careful about how you say that. Here is a beautiful potato that started to sprout. Now, when we cut this, we made it so that there were at least 2 chits here. And this was very dry, very wet, and we waited about a week. As you can see, it's very dry now. This healing process where it scabs over is what allows this to stay in the ground without getting fungal or mold, any sort of rot. A smaller potato such as this can be planted whole. As you can see, it only has about 2 or 3 chitted eyes here. So we'll plant this one whole. We can go pretty small, and others, there weren't very many chits on this. You see one here, so we got the 2. So this one's going to have a lot of energy, just not a lot of branches coming out of it. Now something like this, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, all in one area. This is going to be very thickly grown. This will probably have a lot of small potatoes as our harvest. Something in between, this is going to be a fine plant. Look at those 2 very strong growths here. We have a lot of potato for the energy, and when we plant these, this is going to be a good producer of medium to large size potatoes. Now I know that these are generalizations. I could be wrong, and that has certainly happened before. Something like this, we have 3 chits but a very small piece of potato. So I'm a little worried about the viability of this one, but we'll see how it goes. This is usually enough. As long as you've got at least 2 eyes on a piece of our potato cut, we should be okay. How far will we plant these apart? About 12 to 15 inches in a nice box shape. So in a 4-foot bed, we'll go a foot in, then about 1.5 feet, and then another foot, and then we can go about 15 inches down the row. We should be okay with this for about 60 row feet between this and our other store potatoes. Okay? When it stops raining outside, we'll get out and we'll do some more planting and harvesting. Okay? Thanks.